Hello, I'm Pino Lococo, Chief Test Pilot at Augusta Westland. I'm flying the AW169. It's the latest aircraft we produced. We end up to have an aircraft very maneuverable and very predictable.
I'm Chris Hyder, Augusta Westland Test Pilot. I'm flying the 139 for the Farnborough Air Show. The 139 is a very mature, refined helicopter with incredible capabilities. Right now, it's as good as it gets.
Giuseppe Fruni, Augusta Westland Test Pilot. At the moment we have no big complications. So the fact that we are here in Farnborough after 25 hours of flight demonstrates that at the moment we have no issues on the main issue, major issues on the helicopter.
Look back, look forward, pretty much give you a 360 view of everything around at night.
RTD2 unit.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. That's all I can think of.
Does it make a funny sound?
Sound? No, no.
Actually, I might have got him talked in.
tech. They're not operating those vehicles. If anyone else wants to hop in the seat, go ahead.
Are you familiar with aviation in general? Well, we've got some sky.